Yeah, my name is Howard Chen. We're getting a CX-5 today. Well, it's a good mid-size crossover. Great gas mileage, made in Japan. And Mazda's had a lot of small innovations in the car, and we like the overall design, practicality, and overall it's a good package. Well, Carbital, we did some research before we came. Obviously, a lot of inventory is available, so we like the selections. And also, just by looking at some of the reviews, that's pretty good. So we decided to came here and give it a try. Yeah, he's been extremely helpful today. So we came in, it was raining pretty hard. He came out right away. So he was very easy. Took us out for a couple of test drives. We tried a Touring and Grand Touring. Ended up getting the Grand Touring with a tech package. So yeah, he was very easy. We went back and forth on price a little bit, but it was very easy in the end. We got a price we really liked. So yeah, great to work with. Yeah, the number one reason is obviously a lot of inventories. And I think when looking at a car, you want to test drive different trims, and then look at the different colors in stock. So I think by doing the research, Capital Markets has pretty much one of the best selections and easy location, everything else. So we decided to come. Oh, I'm very happy, very happy. Thank you very much.